Let's discuss dryer balls. Join me. Using dryer balls helps your dryer get the clothes dry by forcing your garments apart. This allows for better air circulation during the drying cycle. Once your clothes are dry, remove the dryer balls and add 2 drops of your favorite smelling essential oils to each ball. Toss the balls back in and run your dryer for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. It will make your clothes smell great. You will not have to use dryer sheets, no harsh chemicals, simply some dryer balls and some essential oils. Please subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organizational and cleaning videos. Share this video with your friends and give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you later.